Big questions often goes through people's minds. Will I be charged with tax evasion? And the answer to that is, did you do tax evasion? And if you did, then comes the chance of being charged. If you were doing tax avoidance and you hire an extremely bad lawyer who doesn't know anything about tax, you could get charged with tax evasion, in which case, if you do get charged, you better get yourself a good lawyer. Now, how does CRA look at who do they charge with tax evasion? First of all, Canada Revenue Agency is just that. It's a revenue agency. They want to collect money and close files. That's the name of the game. So if it's just about getting money, and if you're thankfully a nobody, and of no social prominence in the world, they'd rather just get the money. Who are the people who are likely to get charged with tax evasion? People who are defrauding the public. There seems to be this vendetta to go after these people and somehow charge them with tax evasion, because if they're being fraudulent with the public, they may be fraudulent with their taxes, and that could be true. If you're a tax preparer and you've been overly aggressive, you could get yourself a third-party penalty, and you may get your clients charged with tax evasion. If they get charged with tax evasion, you may get charged with counseling and tax evasion. So if you involved in charitable donation schemes, CRA likes to make an issue out of those. So if you're noteworthy, if it's newsworthy, if it's scare-worthy, there's a good chance, and you have legitimately, knowingly been evading taxes, there's a good chance that you will get charged with tax evasion. Otherwise, it's not likely. In the vast majority of cases where people come in here afraid they're going to get charged with tax evasion, we simply say, no, you're going to get gross negligence penalties, and the chances of them wanting to go through all that time and effort and money to convict you of tax evasion won't interest them. So as much as I don't like Canada Revenue Agency, at least I can feel good. They generally don't push tax evasion where it doesn't make sense. So that's the good news. And if you've just been avoiding taxes thinking it was legal and found out that it wasn't, you can look forward to gross negligence penalties, and that's pretty much it. So it may not nearly be as bad as you think, and who knows, as the Bank of Nova Scotia says, you may be richer than you think on the outcome. Have a good day.